Today, I'm going to show you how to curve only one side of a rectangle in Photoshop using a simple method that gives you full control over just one corner or one side of your shape. This is really useful when you want to create modern UI buttons, stylish banners, custom cards, or clean graphic elements without rounding every corner at the same time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and easy design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop file and select the rectangle layer in the Layers panel on the right. Make sure you're clicking the actual shape layer, not just a pixel layer or an image layer, because this method works best when you're editing a live shape. Once the rectangle layer is selected, look for the Properties panel. This is where Photoshop gives you control over the shape settings, including size, position, and corner radius. If you don't see the Properties panel on your screen, go up to the top menu bar, click Window, and then choose Properties. As soon as the panel opens, you should see the controls you need. Now scroll down inside the Properties panel until you find the Appearance section. Here you'll see 4 corner radius boxes laid out to represent the 4 corners of your rectangle. These are usually labeled or arranged visually as top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. This is the key area that lets you edit each corner individually instead of changing the entire shape at once. By default, the corners are usually linked together. That means if you change one value, Photoshop applies the same radius to all corners. Since we only want to curve one side or one specific corner, we need to break that link first. Click the chain link icon in the center of those 4 boxes to turn it off. When the corners are unlinked, the icon will no longer be highlighted and each corner can be adjusted independently. Now click into the specific corner box you want to curve. For example, if you want the top right corner rounded, enter your pixel value there. You can type something like 50 pixels or 100 pixels, depending on how dramatic you want the curve to look. Then press enter to apply the change. Photoshop will instantly update the rectangle and curve only that selected corner. If you want a stronger curve, increase the number. If you want a softer curve, use a smaller pixel value. And if you only want a very subtle adjustment, even a small value can make a big difference in the overall design. The best part is that you can repeat this process for any other corner you want to curve, while leaving the rest completely sharp. If the shape doesn't update the way you expected, double check that you selected the correct layer and that you are editing a shape layer inside the Properties panel. Also make sure the corner values are unlinked, because if they stay linked, Photoshop will keep applying the same radius to every corner. This is one of the fastest ways to create a custom-looking rectangle in Photoshop without needing complicated tools or manual selection work. Whether you're designing a website layout, a social media graphic, or a polished presentation slide, knowing how to curve just one side or one corner gives you a lot more flexibility. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, beginner-friendly design tips, and quick workflow tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.